coaches little kids to 1 to 3. Stick around to see what it is. So here is the toy, and it's a boat. It kind of looks like Noah's Ark, but it's not. We have animals on the side, so we're gonna take this out now. Here's the boat. It has a lot of things to do with it today. On the back it says you can open that door and this can turn and these two can turn and the driver can be turning the wheel, and you can hook a string up to it if you want to and then pull the string and it will make music. And also you can open up the thing and you can put animals inside, and there's also these buttons. And here's the animals. There's the monkey. We're gonna put him. He's the driver. He's the little driver. Here's the zebra. Where should we put him? Let's just put him out down here. Here's the bird. Here's our tiger, little baby tiger. Here's our baby giraffe.